Why should you choose Middlesex County College? Because of our affordability, with tuition about 1/3 of a public university. We also offer financial aid and scholarships, and for those with an adjusted gross income of $65,000 a year or less, tuition can be free. Why MCC? Because of our transferability, which allows our graduates to transfer to institutions all over the nation, including Rutgers, Kane, and Montclair State, as well as Columbia, NYU, and Princeton. We have transfer agreements with over 60 colleges and universities. Why MCC? Because of our flexibility. MCC offers 90 degrees and certificate programs that can be taken days, evenings, weekends, or online. Classes, both online and in person, are small, with an average 22-to-1 student-faculty ratio, so your professors take a personal interest in your success. Campus life is fun and fulfilling, and activities and events are now offered online in the comfort of your own home. Why MCC? Because of our proximity. Middlesex is just minutes from routes 287, 1 and 9, the New Jersey Turnpike, and the Parkway. It is close to your home, with a main campus in Edison and centers in Perth Amboy and New Brunswick. We have online options available, so you can take classes without leaving your home. Find out why Middlesex County College is your best choice. Join us for our virtual open house launching Wednesday, May 20th at middlesexcc.edu. Why MCC? Because we're the best choice to jumpstart your future.